Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of P as in pig. Now we will see some of the examples. P says P as in peach. P says P as in pen. P says P as in pine. P says P as in potato. P says P as in pumpkin. P says P as in purse. P says P as in cap. P says P as in cup. P says P as in lamp. P says P as in sheep. P says P as in tap. P says P as in zip. Now we will see the initial position. P says P as in peach. P, peach. P says P as in pen. P, pen. P says P as in pine. P, pine. P says P as in potato. P, potato. P says P as in pumpkin. P, pumpkin. P says P as in purse. P, purse. Final position. P says P as in cap. P, cap. P says P as in cup. P, cup. P says P as in lamp. P, lamp. P says P as in sheep. P, sheep. P says P as in tap. P, tap. P says P as in zip. P, zip.